Hello, everybody. First of all, Happy New Year. And this is going to be the first in the series of the color theory lessons that I'm going to be doing. It seems like everybody got confused, so doing it this way will make it a little bit easier. So, first of all, we need to identify the color wheel. Well, this is our basic wheel, and here are the labels for each color. Notice the primaries are red, yellow, and blue. The secondaries are orange, violet, and green. And the tertiaries all have two letters, which are combined the primary and the secondary. So you have yellow-orange, you have red-orange, you have red-violet, you have blue-violet, blue-green, yellow-green. And you always say the primary color first and the secondary color second. Okay? So, now that we understand that, we're going to look at a little bit more on it. Let's go back to our primaries for a second. Now, the primaries, each one of these forms every other color in the color wheel. If you combine yellow and red, you will get orange. If I can get the orange to come up. There we go. Let's go ahead and drop the blue out. So there we go. So now, yellow and red make orange. And blue and red make violet. And blue and yellow make green. So now we know how to make the secondary colors from the primary colors. And the tertiary colors are pretty self-explanatory. It's yellow, orange. Let me go down here to the tertiary colors. Alright, hang on, let's get rid of all of them. There we go. Now, so red violet is made up of red and violet combined. Blue violet is made up of blue and violet combined. Now I have my little Miss Lily with me. Lily, would you like to say hello?
Hi.
Ah, I heard her. And Olivia, she's a little under the weather, but she's here too. Olivia, would you like to say hi as well? She's waving. She still doesn't feel very good. So now, there's a bunch more stuff we can go over, but we're going to cover just the complements today, okay? So, the complements are opposite on the color wheel. Yellow and violet, for example. They are opposite on the wheel, and what happens when you combine these two colors in one image, you end up with a very, very, very strong, super saturated pop of the other color when you combine the two of them together, as you can see here with the example with violet. And I'll go through the rest of the examples as well, of all of them. This is blue-orange. Turn off this one. There we go. That's blue-orange, and if we fill the page with blue, you can see how the orange just pops out. And now we're going to look at the red-green, which a lot of people did because of Christmas. It was an easy one to do. And you can see how the red just pops out of the green there. And we're going to look at the blue-violet. As soon as I turn off the...
I don't see any blue.
Hang on. There we go. Now, this is the blue, violet, yellow, orange. This is blue, violet, and this is yellow, orange. And Lily says yellow, orange, yes, because she knew that color. And you can see how the yellow, orange just pops out there. All right, so now, let's look at the yellow, green, red, violet complement.
What about pink? That looks like
Pink's not a color.
Oh, it looks like a pink.
We'll cover pink in a minute. But actually, pink's going to be in a different lesson. But yellow, green, and red, violet together, and you can see how the green just pops.
Hey, she's kicking me.
Don't kick. Sorry about that, everybody. So, the yellow, green, and red, violet, if you fill it with the red, violet, you'll see how the yellow, green really, really pops against it. And after all of my lessons have been completed, I will put this PSD up onto the group site so that you guys can all download it and turn stuff on and turn stuff off the way you want. And the last compliment, these are the only compliments that there are. This is my favorite personally, which is blue-green and red-orange. Very good, Lily. She said red-orange. And if we fill it with the blue-green, which is also known as teal,
The red orange
you will see
pops out.
the red orange really pops out. Yes, I really think that this is one of the most powerful combinations here for my needs. All right, so now that we understand what the complements are and we understand what the colors are, this is lesson 1. And that's all I've really got for this one. I will make another lesson explaining analogous color after this, and then I will cover the triadic harmonies, the split complements, and so on and so forth. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.